Hi friends, welcome to Lakshmi Gayatri channel. Today I have come here to talk to you regarding the Rummy game. So I have already spoken to you how to play, but I didn't talk about the points. Many of my friends over phone and also one of my friend asked me, one of my subscriber has asked me to tell about the counts. So when you are playing a Rummy with the count, how to put the count? It is 101. 101 is the minimum count, and then 201, 301, depending upon the number of people, you can decide, and the time, how much ever you have the time, you can increase the total count. So if we are playing for 101 count with 2 people or 3, so if whoever reaches the 101 count first, they'll be out and the remaining people will be playing. So अगर आप पैसे रख रहे हो, if you are putting the money and playing, then it's up to you how much ever money you are putting and playing. I advise not to put any money because I don't support playing rummy with money. But there are many people who enjoy by putting some money and playing the game. So if you are putting some money, depending upon your thing, you will be doing that. But regarding the points, I want to talk to you today. So these are the spades I am showing you right away. So this is a joker. Joker will not have any count. So this will be a free for you. So count, how to calculate the count is, this is K. K is 10. Any alphabets will be 10. So this is count of 10. King is 10. Queen is 10. And this is jockey. Jockey is also 10. And 10 will be of course 10, 9 will be 9, 8 will be 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then this is actually 1 or 14 I said in the order wise. But this is an alphabet A, so this is also a count of 10. So when you are playing a rummy, as I said last time, you will be having a series, main series, and then a supportive series if you have a joker, the figure joker, or any alphabet joker or number joker, whichever you are taking out. I hope you have seen my rummy video, then only you will understand. So the main life is 6, 7, 8, suppose 6, 7, 8 is life, and the next will be 10 Q J. So 10, this J and Q will be also a series, and the joker will be there, the main joker support one. Now if you see the 3, 4, instead of 4 I am taking the joker. So this is the supportive series which I have told on the main life, and then the supportive. So 5, this joker will be the 4, and this is 3. So this is how it goes. So the player, whoever is going to complete the game first, he'll say show anyway. So his game will be over. So mine, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 4 cards remained. So this I have to count and put it on the paper. So now I have this 2. 2 plus 4 is how much? 6. 6 plus 9 is how much? 15. So 15 plus this one, how much I said? 10. So 16 plus 10? 26. A will be 1 or 10? Yes, you are right. It is 10. So 26 plus 10 is 36. My count is 36. So if 101 is the total. So I have got in first round itself, first rummy round itself, it is 36. So I have to be very careful while playing. Otherwise I'll be out in very near future. So this is how the count will be there. And one more doubt you may get. So if I don't want to play, my game is very worst and I don't think that I am going to win. Okay, winning is not the matter, but will I be able to put the least count? So you have to throw the big numbers whenever you are playing. Always think of throwing the big numbers if you don't have the correct order, or if you think that it may not be coming to me. If I have the K, two Ks, one of club K, one of spade K. So I can think for one more K of diamond or hearts. In that way I can make a triple. When you have to think like that, only when you have the main life or the supportive jokers, if you have, then you can keep your big cards, alphabet cards. Otherwise you will be easily out. 101 means, see how, if you have already 3 to 4 of alphabet numbers like this itself will be 40 count. So will you think this way of playing you will be winning? So always think of throwing the big numbers and having the smaller numbers with you if the cards are not very good. Otherwise you can keep your big cards and play. So this is my tip to you. And some people will be having very worst cards when you are playing with the count. Reminding you once again. So then you can just, after seeing the cards, before playing your turn, you should say a pack. I cannot play. Pack means I cannot play anymore. So in that way you can just pack and see the other people how they are playing. You can enjoy by watching and what is his way of thinking while playing, how his brain is acting. So always while playing, don't always look into your cards. इसमें घुस जाओ मत. Just don't go into your cards always. When you're throwing a card, people will be observing your card which you're throwing. So always check with what he's throwing. So he doesn't want 10 diamond. Okay. So in your next turn, you can, if you want to throw in your next turn, immediately you can play by throwing any diamond cards nearing to that number, so that he won't take anyway. So in that way, these are all the things while playing you can learn. But I cannot tell everything, but I can just guide you. I'm not the master of this game, but as far as I know, I'm just trying to make you learn this and enjoy the game of Rummy in your lockdown time. So in this social distancing, play with your family, and if you're playing with your neighbors or sisters, just sit little apart. Otherwise, wash carefully your hands with sanitizer, then you can play. So what do you say? Any more doubts? Okay. Suppose while playing, if you think that he's going to finish his game, even at that time you can put middle drop. So middle drop means the count will be 50. If your cards are more than 50, then only you have to middle drop. Otherwise you will be fooling yourself. If your cards are around 47, total will be 47. If you're putting it middle drop, it will be a waste. 3 points will be more for you. But if you are having all big cards and he's going to finish very early, then it is a time to pack in the middle drop. So if you middle drop, or if you play after one turn also, if you drop, it comes under the middle drop, a count of 50. So I always suggest to play, take the challenge. Don't play with the money. If you are playing with the money, play very carefully by throwing the big cards, number 1 point. Number 2, always check what he is throwing, so that you can throw the similar cards to him, so that he won't finish his game. After all, we can control on the next player. And one more thing, if you want, suppose if you want 6 number of spade, already 1 6 will be, if it is the joker of 6, and if there is a joker of 6 and some other fellow has thrown the 6, not joker, if already somebody has thrown the 6 spade, and you may be guessing the turn, for your turn you may get or not, we don't know, the 6 card. So probability will be very less for that particular card. So whatever you are waiting for the card, if that card is down, and if you are playing with the 2 packs of this kind of packs of 2, then you can guess one more card will be there somewhere with the somebody, or in that pack when you are playing. So always check the people what they are throwing, and check if your card whichever you are requiring is going to get through that pack, or already thrown by some other player. So always we have to play with brain. Rummy is a brain game. Once again I am telling you, it's not a foolish game. You can enjoy a lot with this game. You can also have a lot of memory power, what he has thrown in this round, before this round, before that round. So that in that way you can guess, and you can always shuffle your game. Don't stick to the one pattern. Always shuffle your game, make up triples or quadrants, four cards, so quadrants or triples, or make main series, or with the help of life, throw the big cards. So I have already spoken much about the points and all. So I hope this video helps you in terms of points. So this is how you can enter if you are playing with your friend Padma. This initial will be P, and if I am playing LG, Lakshmi Gayatri, so LG, and if some other friend Jyoti, so Jyoti, J. So this is how you can take it, and the total will be 101. So whoever will be out first. So actually I have told you in my this video, I have shared to you know 26 I have got. So this was 26. If suppose Padma was winning, so you have to put Rummy R. And for Jyoti, if suppose he is having 42, the score will be for her it will be 42. So in this way we'll be playing. If I am winning in the next game, and if the other person has got 35, and if he has got only 8, so in that way we can total after some games. So whoever will be the out, he'll be, if I am beyond, if I have got in other game, total count. So it will be, if it is more than 80 count, this is very important point, please listen to me. If it is more than 80 count, so you shouldn't write 82, 85 like that. 80 will be the maximum. So if there is no life, but if you have all the bigger cards with you, then the count, if it is beyond 85, 95 like that, you have to write up till 80. So 80 will be the biggest count. We cannot exceed 80 count. You understood, no? So in this way, if we see now it is already 80 plus 26 is 106. So I am out. So these two players will be playing, Padma and Jyoti. So whoever will be the winner, if they are playing with the money, the person who still there and who is out, so the one who is already there, whose total is not even 101, nearing to that, so then he will be the winner, she will be the winner. So this is how you have to take the count and play. So thank you so much friends for listening to me. Have a nice time. Please do share your comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please share my channel to your friends and ask them to subscribe, and don't forget to like my video. Bye bye.